Hey everybody, welcome to the 20th of June, 2025. Let's talk about your real estate update. I did put together some information regarding the market, what's happening in the Santa Clarita market. And I will tell you that some people are saying that the market is in such a bad way that properties are slowing down and selling. That is true. They are slowing down, but definitely not at the particular levels people would have you believe. Properties are still moving. We still have many closings every single week. And let me give you some of those numbers. Now, I did post up here at santaclaritaopenhouses.com/blog the latest article for today. You can see it, and too long didn't read. This kind of gives us a rundown. Santa Clarita real estate market mid-2025 is on a long road to recovery, reflecting broader California trends. While the frenzy of past years has subsided, market is definitely far from crashing. Key indicators show a normalization period. Mortgage rates are expected to continue a downward trend into the high 5% by year's end. And if the Fed jumps in, we'll probably see even more decreases there. This normalization period, if you look at historical real estate, selling properties within a week or two, that was just unheard of. It took sometimes 3 or 4 months, even more when I first started in real estate in 98. I know everybody has a story, but when I first started, that was the trend. It took a long time to sell properties, and it was nowhere near as automated as it is today. But again, we'll watch as mortgage rates will probably continue to come down. Locally, homes are staying on the market longer than the seasonal lows of previous years. That's true because we have more inventory. A significant number of price reductions indicate sellers are having to adjust expectations to meet the current reality for buyers and sellers. Navigating the complex environment requires expert guidance and a deep understanding of the data, hence me putting these together. So please check it out. It will also give you the actual numbers from today. 90 new listings posted in the past 7 days. 128 properties have had their prices changed. These are not all reductions, by the way. 37 properties have gone active under contract, 54 pending, 55 closed, 39 canceled, withdrawn, or held, and then of course 13 coming soon. You see the closed number at 55? That's real estate moving. It hasn't stopped. It hasn't ceased to happen, and it's wonderful. I'm Connor with Honor. When you're ready to reach out, please SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. You can go there at the homepage and see what we offer, what's going on in the market, and of course do all the searching you want without being bothered by potentially having to give up any personal information. It's all unlocked. So enjoy that. I'm Connor. Be well. We'll talk to you soon.